Yeah, hello everyone. You're welcome back to FinTech Space. And in this video, for people that actually got the CPEN token, so it's been listed on Bitmart today the 10th of April. And currently it's trading at 0.0007, which is actually a very ridiculous price for listing. And it's not really trading well currently, but I think right now the better thing for you to do is actually for you to definitely stake your tokens. If you check their tweet. If you check their Twitter page right now, you see that it's actually CPEN that's actually reposted this Bitmart exchange. So you can see this is their page, and they actually pinned it at the top of their profile. So you can see CPEN subscriptions are booming. So you can earn extra quota and limited time only. So and it's 0 to 30 days. So you can have up to 30% yield. So you can see CPEN hen. And I think that is what you can do right now, because if you actually say you want to swap your CPEN, if I click right now on my CPEN, you see if I click on CPEN/USDT, definitely what I have 3,000 CPEN, 3,114. If I sell everything, it's just worth $2.2, and that doesn't make any sense at all. And I feel what you can do, instead of just leaving it to lie fallow, why don't you stake your token? So now let's get started and stake my CPEN token. So right now, click on where you have asset here. Your asset here. So as you click on the asset, at the top here, you can see different sections: overview, spot, margin, future. So just drag the top, just as you see, drag the top, and you click on where you can find hen. So you can see hen over here. You can see hen here. So click on hen. So now what do you have? You have these on your screen. So click on buy products. So click on buy products. Once you click on buy products, you don't want to disturb yourself to start looking around. So you can see CPEN holds 5%, but what you just do, click on this available assets only. So let's see what you've got that is available for you. So click on that. So you can see now you have two options that are here for you. The first one is here, flexible option, flexible savings. The second is fixed savings, and there is where you have all of this. You can get 10 to 30% appreciation yield. So let's check the first one. If you click on the first one, it's actually saying from just tenths of, just like within some hour do you get. So but if you click on the fixed savings, what do you have here? So from 10th to 17th, so and depending on what you intend to do. So the previous one is actually flexible, so per hour you can decide to stake it now, and in the next 5 hours you can stake. But here you have a duration of 7 days and also for 30 days. So I'm actually going to stake for 30 days. So if I click on 30, so I'm going to click on max. So if I click on 7 days, the appreciation, the yield will be just 10%, just as you have it here. But if I click on 30, the appreciation will be 30%, just as you have it here. So I'm going to take 1,500. So I'm going to get only 36 CPEN, just 36 CPEN. So I'm going to click on I've read and agree to the user agreement. So I'm going to click on subscribe. So I'm going to click on subscribe. So if it is 7 days, you can go for 7 days. 30 days, you can go for 30 days. So I'm going for 30 days, and I will be getting just 36 CPEN. So there's not really much give back like that, but it's better than nothing. So I'm clicking on subscribe. Alright, so subscription confirmed. So I have my CPEN 30 days fixed savings, 30 days, so 1,500 CPEN. So and the interest will definitely, as it has been calculated already, like 32, 33, 34 thereabouts. So but currently we never can tell. There might be some other rewards, but let's just leave it at that. So now you're done. So you can decide to go to savings, you can decide to go to my assets. So let me check go to savings. Okay, so yeah, that's just it. So we've already staked 1,500, just as you have it here on my screen. So I've saved this 1,500 and I'm getting my interest. So 36.9 CPEN at the end of 30 days. So I think that solves it all. Here is the end of this video. Kindly share with others also, so they can get to fixed save their CPEN. So it's not an financial advice, but you can just do that just to be a part of the staking system. Alright guys, so I think this is the end of this video. kindly enjoy yourself, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to like and drop your comments in the comment section below. Until next time, this is Fintech Space with Team Biz. Bye for now.